You've seen it happen 1,000 times. Someone yawns, and suddenly, like a contagious wave spreading through a room, everyone around them starts yawning too. But here's the thing, science still doesn't fully understand why. In this video, we're diving deep into one of the brain's most bizarre mysteries: why we yawn, why it spreads like wildfire, and what researchers are discovering that completely challenges everything we thought we knew. The basic function: why do we yawn at all? For decades, we believed yawning was simply a sign of tiredness or boredom. We thought it was your body's way of saying "I need oxygen" or "I'm not interested." But here's where it gets interesting: that theory is mostly wrong. Studies show yawning doesn't actually increase oxygen intake significantly. Instead, researchers now believe yawning might regulate brain temperature. When you yawn, you stretch your jaw, increase blood flow, and literally cool down your brain. Your brain performs best at specific temperatures, and yawning could be a thermostat mechanism. Think of it like your body's air conditioning system kicking in when things get too warm. The contagious mystery: why yawning spreads like a virus. Now we get to the truly bizarre part. Contagious yawning isn't just a coincidence, it's a genuine neurological response. When you see someone yawn, your mirror neurons activate. These are the same brain cells that fire when you perform an action and when you watch someone else perform it. But here's the puzzle: not everyone catches yawns equally. Children under 4 rarely experience contagious yawning, while it peaks around age 15 and stays strong in adults. People with autism, schizophrenia, and certain personality disorders show reduced susceptibility to contagious yawning. This suggests the phenomenon is deeply connected to empathy and social bonding rather than simple mimicry. The empathy connection, the social bond theory. Here's something that will blow your mind. People are more likely to catch a yawn from someone they're close to. Your mother? You'll probably catch her yawn. A stranger on the street? Less likely. Researchers at Duke University discovered that yawn contagion correlates strongly with your capacity for empathy and theory of mind, basically, your ability to understand what others are thinking and feeling. Close friends, family members, and romantic partners show the highest yawn transmission rates. In fact, the closer your relationship, the faster you'll yawn in response. Some researchers believe contagious yawning evolved as a social bonding mechanism, strengthening group cohesion and synchronized alertness among tribe members. It's like your brain is saying "I feel you." The timeline of yawning across your life. Yawning actually starts before you're even born. Fetuses yawn in the womb around 20 weeks of pregnancy, long before they take their first breath. Newborns yawn frequently. But here's the strange part: they don't catch contagious yawns until around age 4 or 5. Why the delay? Researchers believe it takes years for the neural pathways responsible for empathy and mirror neuron activation to fully develop. In elderly people, something interesting happens: contagious yawning decreases again. Some studies suggest this relates to cognitive decline and reduced empathy processing rather than the physical inability to yawn. So across your entire lifespan, yawning tells a story of your neurological and social development. What scientists still don't know: the unsolved mysteries. Despite all our research, yawning remains one of neuroscience's greatest unsolved puzzles. We don't fully understand why only humans, primates, and some other mammals experience contagious yawning. Elephants yawn, but do they catch them socially? We don't know. We can't explain why reading about yawning makes you yawn, or why thinking about yawning triggers one. That's happening right now, isn't it? We're still baffled by individual differences. Some people are super spreaders of yawns, while others are almost immune. Researchers are currently using advanced brain imaging, studying diverse populations, and even conducting experiments with virtual reality to unlock yawning's final secrets. It's humbling that something we do dozens of times every day remains largely mysterious. So the next time you yawn and watch it spread around the room, you're witnessing your brain's incredible ability to synchronize with others, a sign of empathy, social connection, and millions of years of evolution we're still trying to understand. The truth is, we yawn not just because we're tired, but because we're profoundly social creatures. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button and subscribe so you never miss a video like this one.